Sophia here for My Great Challenge. Welcome back, and today is the winner announcement for the Liene Photo Printer. If you didn't see that video, the link is down below. I'm giving you a demo on how it works and how you install it, and I had one more sent to me by the company for a giveaway. So I'm gonna call Willie, we're gonna pick a winner and make the announcement. Hi Willie.
Hi.
We're gonna pick a winner.
Okay.
You ready?
Sure.
Let's go. Alright, so we're on my phone. These are all the comments that were left. I'm gonna go up and down and more up and down. And Willie, you tell me when to stop. Drum roll, please. Okay, Willie.
Stop.
Okay. I'm gonna pick a picture on my phone that I put together with the name of the winner. So I'm going to the app Photo Printer, and I'm going to go ahead and select that picture. Let's see how long it takes. This printer is awesome. If you made 2023 your plan to finally get all those pictures out of your phone and to print them, this is your opportunity to do it. I put a referral link down below. There's a $12 off coupon, and then here's the picture. It takes no time whatsoever. This is really cool. I like this. I hope the name doesn't show. I'm gonna hide it. I'll hide it a little bit. It's gotta be a surprise. Here's part 2. And in less than 2 minutes, you have a picture. Now, again, it's about $39 for 2 cartridges and 80 sheets of paper. So this is really economical to me. I think it's a good price. And the printer itself is about $149. I'm hiding the name because I don't want you to see it. And this is the last pass. So the picture's going to come up now. Whoops. And here we go. Here is the winner of today's giveaway for the Liene Photo Printer, Rhonda Young. This is so cool. I love it. So Rhonda, you are the winner of the giveaway. For those of you who are on the fence and don't know, here's the quality of the picture, and you can touch them right away because this is sublimation, this is not ink, and you just go like this. You pull out the little tab at the bottom and go like this, pull out the little tab on top, and you have a photo ready to put in an album, an envelope, whatever you do, scrapbooking. Rhonda, I'm going to put that picture, by the way, in the box. I'll sign it too if you want, but you are the winner. So thank you all who participated to this giveaway. I hope to get another giveaway soon. I really like this. The link is down below if you want to go and check it out. And again, I have a $12 off if you want to use that. It's a great gift for grandparents, and just a reminder, this is completely portable, it's rechargeable, so you don't have to carry the cable with you. It connects with your Wi-Fi. You can print via cable directly from your phone. If your Wi-Fi is sketchy, you can go directly print from your computer if you want to, and it takes a C cable. It comes with the printer, it comes with 1 cartridge of paper, and it is super easy to store. You just close that right back off, and when you're not using it, you just close here and put that on top, and you're ready to go. So Rhonda, all you have to do is email me at mygreatchallenge@gmail.com with your address, and I will ship the printer directly to you with the picture. Thank you guys for participating, and I will see you later.